Hello, my beloved cat fanatics. It's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we are here in Seattle, and I am with Bev. Andun, he's getting ready. Tapos si Mother nandun sa loob, and then we have our beloved Runzel. So yun, we're here because we're gonna visit. Well, we're visiting Runzel, Gail's nephew, and then at the same time we are going to celebrate Mother Dear's early birthday celebration for Mother Dear for her 83rd birthday, diba? Wow! So ayun, for today we are gonna go pick oysters, tapos kakain tayo doon ng oysters mismo sa beach side na yon. So that's awesome. That will be an awesome experience for all of us. Charot, for me, Bisayang Ilocana. And yun, mag-virtual tour tayo. And then we're gonna spend our day there. We're gonna chill, relax, have a little picnic. And then after that, we're gonna come back here sa place, beautiful place ni Runzel. So ayun, stay tuned. What's the name of this place?
Eagle Creek.
Eagle Creek. Palit kami na from this one to this one.
Exchange.
Exchange tayo.
Let's go. Lola, you can walk around too. Lola walking over there too.
Ayan guys, so we are here at Eagle Creek. Ayan. So this is one of the oyster spots where you can go and just find an oyster, pick an oyster, and eat an oyster. So that's one of our main reasons why we went here, other than celebrating Mother Dear's birthday and visiting Runzel. It was actually already part of our itinerary na regardless of what we're gonna do for the rest of the week or for this whole vacation, we have to come here and eat oysters. So yun, ayan, as you can see here, may mga oyster shells. So we have to walk all the way out there para makakuha tayo, kasi around here syempre na kain na. Ayan. nating gagawin. It's pretty far walk, but it's okay, exercise na rin because we drove almost 2 hours to get here, and we've been sitting in the car for that long. And so, oh look. Laki. Oh, they also have clams. Tara, habulin natin sila, Beb. Andun na sila. Nakaupo na si Beb. So, I'm guessing tumitingin na yun. So, let's go. What did they say, Beb?
Ha?
Ano sabi?
Kumain ka ng 18 na piraso, or if you wanna bring it home, take the meat, leave the shell.
Oh,
But 18 pa rin na piraso
oh okay. Per person.
per person.
Okay.
So you can eat. And they said, how they I asked them, how you gonna justify that you ate 18 pieces already? That's right. They have extra. But I think the reason why is parang yung content siguro ng, so your limit for like zinc. There you go. Pero ano hindi siya yellow. It's not
safe to eat. Yeah.
Well, I had 2 already.
Oh, you had 2 already? The heck?
The only ones eating are Mexican and Filipinos.
Here.
Sige daw, be? Sige daw, be? Matabang?
Good.
No flavor?
Salty.
Salty?
2.5 inch.
Okay.
Where's our sauce?
Go get the rice. Let's go get the rice. Dito na rin tayo mag-picnic.
We should harvest them, put them in like Ziploc.
Yeah, we can do that later. Let's eat first.
Yeah,
It's
but I want my ano.
I like the rice too.
the rice. Yeah, let's go get the rice.
Let me see. Namit?
Parang yung
Namit?
middle nung super sarap at saka yung
Matabang.
matabang nasa middle siya.
That's good.
Yan siya.
Yeah.
Pili mo. Ang pipilian na kita. Nasod.
I told you. Baka masugatan ka rin.
There. Your first oyster. I think the reason why they don't want you to bring the shell is because of these are
They're
barnacles,
Yeah.
and they
They're pests, right?
yeah, try to control it. There you go.
Ooh. Dear. Oh.
Where your hands up? Where's your this one? You want
I want the cold one.
juicy?
Yes, the cold one.
Look at that, fresh.
There's the ranger.
Look at that. Pasco. You want 4?
Oh,
Yes, please. Oh,
this thing is not nice. Yeah, look, it's usually this one is yellow. Yeah, look.
Cute.
Your first. No,
I don't know. That's all you.
you what?
Huh?
Oh, that dude already more than 18.
Okay then. Yeah. Good for you.
it's kind of salty.
No.
That's all. Yeah. Sea salt.
That's good.
Good.
Yeah, I approve. I approve this message. So the rule here is you have to get, or you can get 18 oysters per person, and then if you want to eat it there, or yeah, doon banda, you can take the shell, eat it there, and then toss the shell back here. So yun yung ano nila dito.
Oh,
So ayan. Mm.
I'm gonna get the individual one.
What? Okay. Mm. So, upo na naman tayo at kakain. Okay.
I think that's why they have the. What's that? The month? Yeah, because like right now they are not.
Good.
There you go. Oh, yeah, this one is a bit yellow.
Yay! Nancy.
You got your quota already?
Nope. Just one.
I'm gonna fish here. I don't think you can fish in there. The line will get tangled with the shell. Kaya bumili ng mga 14.
Wow.
Sawa ko sa yan.
Okay, thank you.
Ay, meron pa isa.
Wow. Eddie, wow. Super wow. It's a lot.
Ano ba yung 2 dozen? 24.
24.
Tatlong
That
order.
is $26 na ngayon. Yeah. Mama, bigay ng bigay.
Done, Renzo? You good? Let's go eat rice, but what do we got?
Renzo.
What you had already?
I'm done now, babe. I'll surrender.
Not quota yet. Oh, there's crab in there. Huh?
Oh, crap. Mr. Crab.
Crab. Ay, ay, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite. Don't pick me up. I'm gonna bite you. Oh. Oh.
Feisty. Kawain mo pa yan. Oh.
Yeah, we should buy crab.
Tastes good too.
Oh, nakolekta na. Ilan ang nakuha mo, tita?
Ang dami dito akong pinanguha.
Oh.
So let's try.
Lola, just not
Tingnan
eat.
nyo,
Just
mga
to
hindi
see.
bukas yan.
Lola's,
Lola.
Lola's,
The Pro Oyster.
Matigas na.
Lola caught this one.
This is Lola's first time here too.
Oh.
Oh, looks like
Very
a
good.
jellyfish.
You know what to do, Grandma. Say ah.
Ito.
Oh, what a.
Ay, kain.
What a,
It looks
Grandma.
like jello, like.
No good, this one.
Better near the water.
The best oysters are actually in the fresh water because you're even in the night, and then when it's hot, you're still getting cold water across them. So those are the healthiest oysters. And we don't need big things. I mean, your oyster, I mean, for what you're grabbing, this is all
Kind of the
the
end of
size
the
you ever need.
season for oysters.
Yeah.
Because they've been in the heat. They're a little bit milkier.
Yeah.
Yes,
I don't
that's
eat
the
'em.
best.
So says the people that eat.
But you're still able to find a good, you know, you're 18.
Thank you. Puno. Oh, di ba? Yan yung mga nakain na na.
Nagkain kami ng maraming tira.
Shell yan ang iba. Ayan, muti na no. Matagal na yan dyan. Natuyo na. Ayan.
Kapino ng mga arena.
Mm.
Ganun. Shit, ano naman ka na nila.
There's the chicken tender, chicken.
See, at the oyster, they're eating chicken.
This is the oyster. Look at that. Fresh catch.
Fresh catch. Lunchtime. It's 2:25 in the afternoon already. But I already had a lot of oysters, so I'm done for the day.
How many you had?
How many was that, babe? I don't think it's 18 though, but they're huge.
Look,
It's better. It has
garnish.
garnish.
With
Oh, it has garnish.
with
one is vegan.
seaweeds.
Seaweed oyster. The fancy one, the high end oyster.
Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, the color.
It's perfecto.
Smart.
Russell, this is yours. Yeah. You're good? I thought you're good because there's another one there. Here. See?
Another krill.
Yeah. If you swallow that bamba, you feel there in your stomach.
Gourmet.
Yeah, look at that. Fancy.
Fancy. Ayan guys, so we are finally back here at Ranzel's apartment, and I think that's it for today. We had a lot of fun harvesting, picking oysters, and eating oysters, and at the same time, yung road trip natin medyo mahaba-haba. So I think that's it for today. We're gonna stay here and just have a nice dinner with family, Ranzel, mother, and Bebko. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Naipasyal ko kayo doon at sana natakam ko rin kayo doon sa masasarap at malalaking oysters nila. So ayun, Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Bisayang Ilocana Official. Together with my Facebook page, it's Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching and have a good night. Bye!